Zoom 10 Skycam showing you the afternoon from the Pink Shell Beach Resort and Spa, looking out toward Punta Rassa and the Sanibel Causeway. Had some dry air in place at the upper levels. That's why you see those clouds being very, very flat. Sure, we started foggy, but by the late morning and afternoon, it was great. And we actually did set a record today. Actually, a couple of records. Got up to 88 officially in Fort Myers, 87 in Naples. I don't think anyone's going to complain with temperatures in the upper 80s at the beginning of February. And as I said yesterday, February is normally our coldest month. Right now, we're looking at the visibility report because there's still a lot of moisture close to the atmosphere. And if you go outside right now, it feels very muggy like it did yesterday. We do have a dense fog advisory in effect for some sea fog. That's from Sarasota County northward up to around the Tampa Bay area. We may have a dense fog advisory issued for some sections of southwest Florida. I don't think the fog is going to be quite as thick as it was this morning, but still across the board, fog is something we have to consider just because the atmosphere is going to be saturated and the winds are going to be very, very light. So here's how tomorrow should play out. Foggy areas at 8 a.m. and then a few isolated showers at noon, maybe even close to the coast. By 5 o'clock, though, those showers are mainly going to be inland east of I-75. Here's a look at the water vapor imagery, and this was a little bit of a surprise for us when we saw this. Some drier air kind of creeping up from the south. You see the darkness here on the water vapor imagery. So the atmosphere at the upper levels got a little bit drier, but look what's going on out here. That's a cool front that's getting closer to southwest Florida. That's going to be changing our weather. Why don't I show you our computer model starting at about 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. There's the front getting closer to us. And by noon, 1 o'clock, as the front gets closer, we're probably going to have a few scattered showers developing. As the day goes on, though, those are basically going to be moving into Glades and Hendry County. Here we are at about 5 o'clock. Front getting closer, scattered showers, majority of the significant rain, though, actually even a little bit farther east of Glades and Hendry County. And then that front just kind of hangs around. Here we are, 7 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. You can see that will start foggy again, at least in some spots in the afternoon. Some scattered showers on Thursday. But here we go, the best chance for rain Thursday, a little bit farther to the south. So showers in our forecast through Friday, but our weekend forecast looks pretty good. Here's a look at your boating forecast. It's going to be a southeasterly wind becoming onshore in the late morning and afternoon. Seas anywhere from 1 to 2 feet. We'll have a light chop on the bay and in the waters. Power 4 zone forecast, starting with the inland zones. Morning fog for you, then mainly afternoon showers for Lehigh, LaBelle, Golden Gate Estates, and Lakeport. Now, in the harbor zones, you're going to start with some patchy fog. You may have an isolated shower, but it's mainly going to be in the late morning and early afternoon, and it is going to be a little more isolated for Englewood, Northport, and Port Charlotte. A few isolated showers in the coastal zones. That includes Pine Island, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Estero. If we do see some showers in the coastal zones, those two should be late morning, early afternoon. Beaches going to be the driest spot, but still an isolated shower possible, also in the late morning and early afternoon with that south to southeasterly wind. A few showers in our forecast, mainly south of the Caloosahatchee on Thursday. A couple more isolated showers on Friday. Weekend, though, looking mainly dry, and by Sunday afternoon, some cooler air starts to move in. Our mornings getting back down into the 50s by Monday and Tuesday. Here